Hello traders, today is the 12th of March 2013 and the time in London is 44 minutes past 2 p.m. Okay, in New York is 10:44 a.m. A happy day trading to you all. The title of this video is Jibril, a day trader. Okay. In this video, we want to look at a day trader that is called Jibril, and how Jibril is trading. And we want to learn from the mistake of Jibril, and we want to know the mistake that Jibril is also making. We want to review the trade of Jibril, so we can avoid repeating the same mistakes like Jibril, the day trader. All right, let's get started. Before we continue, I would like to say to traders that this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTW 24 traders. All right, Jibril, the day trader. What's happened to Jibril? Jibril day trader is a trader that always will trade the first 30 minutes when the market is open. All right, I want to put a vertical line where the market did open today. For this, we are looking at Apple stock, so I'm putting a vertical line there, and we want to study what Jibril, the day trader, is doing when the market, as soon as the market is open. All right, moment please, get in there. The Jibril day trader is a day trader that will always come into the market as soon as the market is open and will place a trade. All right, Jibril does not wait at all, because Jibril thought that if he waits a bit, he may miss some opportunity. There are a few things that Jibril does not understand, because Jibril is aggressive day trader. As soon as the market opens, Jibril will place a trade. There is one big mistake that Jibril is making all the time. All right. By the way, this is not a real person called Jibril. This is just a character. A characteristic of a day trader. So I just give a name Jibril to that characteristic. And all right, that a lot of day traders, myself, I've been a Jibril day trader before, and a lot of traders go through the same stage, because if you become a day trader, you go through different stages. All right, and I want to show you the first stage that a lot of day trader will go through. That's the stage of Jibril, the day trader. So market open, Jibril will come in the market. You see the price going down, Jibril will place a trade to sell. Market opens, price start going up, Jibril will place a trade to buy. And Jibril does not pay attention to other market participants, and Jibril does not understand the trading triangle and how the market function. So Jibril is in fact somebody who is very aggressive day trader, but Jibril is making a lot of day trading mistakes. One thing that Jibril does not understand is that when the market opens, in the first 30 minutes, as you can see here, the market, today is here, it opens right here, where I put my vertical line, So Jibril will come into the market, very fast, and Jibril will place a trade, to buy, because if the price start going up, Jibril will start buying. If the price going down, Jibril will sell. This is the trading style of Jibril. But one thing that Jibril does not understand is that when the market opens, especially when New York is open, brokers, has to fill orders for their client. These are sophisticated clients, a high demanding clients that are looking for the best price. If they want to sell, they want the best price. These are clients, okay, trade millions of dollars per day, and every cent counts. So the brokers understood that the clients are highly demanding clients, and every cent counts. So the brokers at the first 30 minutes will try to get for their clients the best price. So, for instance, if they receive orders to buy 1 million shares of Apple stock, they will not just come and buy 1 million shares straight away. They will buy it bit by bit. But they want to buy at the best price for their clients. But Jibril does not understand this kind of activity that's taking place every day when the market opens, the first 30 minutes. Very often, or even the first hour, we will see brokers will be fighting each other to get for their clients the best price. Sometimes, a financial instrument that's supposed to go up, that is perfectly bullish, the broker will be very, very happy to see the price go down fast, which will allow the broker to give to their clients the best price. But because Jibril is a new trader, a very aggressive trader with no experience, all right, Jibril will just try to, enter a trade. Very often, sometimes, Jibril will be right, which means Jibril will buy here, because he will think that the price will go up and buy, and the price will now change direction and go down instead. During that time, the brokers will be very happy to get the best price for their client. Sometimes, Jibril will be right and Jibril will sell as soon as the market opens, because the price is going down. But brokers, who receive orders from their client to sell a financial instrument will be hoping that the price instead goes up, so they may get the best price for their client. During this time, Jibril is already in a trade, selling, and the price will start going up. When the price is going up, these brokers will be fighting each other to get the best price for their client, because they have done their fundamental. The clients, these are sophisticated clients, hedge funds, and they have done their homework, and they think that this stock, they should sell it. They should short it, so to speak. They don't want to buy, but they will not sell, at the lowest price. They would like to sell at the highest price. But because Jibril is a new trader and does not understand what is taking place in the first 30 minutes, very often, at the end of the first 30 minutes, Jibril will lose completely, a lot of money before, the market is the market will even, reveal its direction to the smart traders. This is something that a lot of traders are missing, because they are new traders. They come into the market opens, especially those who are trading stock, and they will quickly jump into trade because they see a signal in the first 30 minutes. But one must understand that the first 30 minutes or the first hour, orders need to be filled first. Also, during the first 30 minutes or the first hour, portfolio very often will be adjusted, because sometimes these sophisticated client will give orders to client to take profit or to bank some profit for them, which means they will sell something and they will buy something, which will not, in fact, be a trading. These are just profit taking, where one is willing to sell one stock to take profit, one is willing to buy one stock to take profit. So if you have been shorting or selling before, you must buy to take your profit. All right. On the other hand, if you were buying before, you must sell before you take your profit. All right. You must sell before you take profit. So these activities are taking place in the first 30 minutes or first hour when the market opens, especially when New York is open. The same activity we see every day for many stocks. As the market open, the first hour, the price will be going round and round, and all sort of movement in the market, and suddenly after the dust has settled, the market will give a clear indication, to the smart traders that will come in and cream the market, perfectly. All right. The next thing that Jibril does not understand, the trading triangle. So professional traders, the first thing they look at was they want to trade stock like Nasdaq. Yeah, they want to trade Apple. They know Apple is listed on the Nasdaq 100. They will be willing to look at the Nasdaq 100 itself or the S&P 500 that represent the market itself. So first thing that Jibril will not do or does not understand is to check the S&P 500 itself first before, taking position. All right. So the strategy is very simple. When the market itself is in a rising channel, one will give priority to buy signal. If one will give priority to bullish or financial instrument at the support level, which means the market itself is at a support level, pull back near a support level, ready to resume the uptrend. You also would like to align your strategy by trading only bullish financial instrument. On the other hand, if the market is in a declining channel and the price rally back to a resistance level, and the market is about to turn around and continue the progression to the downside, you want to align your strategy by focusing only on a financial instrument that are bearish. But Jibril, because he is a new trader, he does not understand those things. And Jibril, very often in the first 30 minutes or in the first hour, Jibril will lose before the market will give a clear indication of its direction. All right. Jibril also is a trader, a day trader, that does not use the 5% money management rules. So Jibril got $1,000 in his account. Jibril will open a trade and will use more than 50% on his trading account. Doing that, Jibril in the first hour will give away quickly, nearly 50% of his trading account, because Jibril does not understand that he must adhere to the 5% trading rules. Another thing that Jibril does not understand is that Jibril does not pay attention to other market participants, try to go into their mind. Jibril is busy trading indicator, overbought, sell, oversold, buy. This is a typical, a trading mistake, which Jibril does not understand at all. So Jibril, in fact, is going round, repeating the same mistake over and over. One of the mistakes that Jibril also is making is that Jibril does not review losing trend. In fact, when Jibril has a losing trend, Jibril may get emotional and may, may start reacting instead of thinking, logically or rationally. All right. Today again, we are looking at the S&P 500, The market is now open. I can put again a vertical line for the S&P 500, because if you are trading stock, we must first check the S&P 500, so the market is open here. I'll put a vertical line there for the S&P 500 itself. And the next thing that I'm going to put, I color it into red. And the next thing I'm going to do, I want to see the market patterns. Another thing that Jibril does not understand, Jibril is has learned to trade price pattern, but Jibril does not understand that the market pattern commands the price pattern. So the first thing one must check is the market pattern. What's happening here on this 3-minute chart? My favorite time frame for the market is consolidating between these two levels. You see, it was happening before the market closed yesterday. So as the market opened at the top here, traded pushing back to the base of the consolidation. Now the price again at the base. The market is consolidating right now. So the best strategy for a smart day trader is to align the market pattern of the market pattern of S&P 500 with the market pattern of the financial instrument that one wants to trade. Another thing that Jibril is doing, Jibril will trade also stock, but will also trade forex. Jibril does not understand the correlation between currency pair. Jibril does not know that the Euro USD is the leading currency pair. It does not understand the correlation between currency pair. All right. So Jibril, in fact, need a lot of help and need a lot of assistance, so he can put his trading back on track, so he can start also enjoying day trading. This is a typical day trading mistake that a lot of traders are making day in and day out. Okay, the worst mistake is to give away more than 5% of your trading account in the first 30 minutes or the first 60 minutes. All right. So we don't want to follow Jibril because we know that Jibril, his strategy is a bit aggressive, and Jibril need a lot of help. So we don't want to follow Jibril. We want to trade like professional traders. So but we can learn something from Jibril, and we want to avoid the mistake that Jibril is making. So we want to do the opposite of what Jibril is doing. All right. Today we want to trade Apple stock, as always. Okay. Jibril does not have a trading system. Okay. So Jibril will come into the market and we just start trading without any plan, without any strategy. But Jibril also does not understand that the market, in fact, okay, there are a lot of excellent day traders, smart day traders, market specialists, market makers, okay, hedge funds, okay, very intelligent traders in the market that he, in fact, is competing against these, more experienced day traders. All right. Another mistake that Jibril is making, Jibril, a day trader, is that Jibril does not know that one should not make a day trading decision on one time frame. So Jibril will go to the 3-minute chart, like here, and Jibril will just make his decision on a 3-minute chart. All right. So Jibril will draw support, resistance on this 3-minute chart, but Jibril will not try to look on a higher time frame because the higher time frame commands the lower time frame. These are a serious day trading mistake that Jibril is making consistently, and we don't want to follow Jibril. All right. So how do we day trade? We want to day trade. We want to have a plan. The plan, okay, how you want to come into the market, how you want to play. The first strategy is to just calculate 5% of your trading account. So if you want to open 2 trades straight away, those 2 trades must not exceed, okay, the 5% of our trading account. Okay, if you want to open 10 trades, those 10 trades should not exceed 5% of our trading account. So we want to remain within the 5% trading account. So if 1,000 is the 5% of our trading account, if you open 10 trades, those 10 trades should not exceed that 5% trading account. This will allow us to control our ability to lose, because if we can control our ability to lose, we are likely, okay, to gain over time. Okay. So looking at the Apple stock, talking about Jibril, the day trader, all right. In fact, we can show few things to Jibril here, all right. So we don't want to stack on the 3-minute chart alone. In fact, I will go directly to the yearly chart, all right, for Apple stock, which is also a market indicator. I will go back to the monthly chart instead. We know that this Apple stock was, we have here what we call a diagonal move followed by a vertical move. The Apple stock is now retesting the orange line here, which is the opposite diagonal. This is the normal diagonal. The opposite diagonal is this orange, roughly is this orange line here. The base of the vertical move is also a support level, which is the blue line here. So there is a support here for Apple stock. That support level is near, okay, the zone of 414. So for somebody who is more experienced, he or she will know that, okay, there was a diagonal move, a vertical move, the price has pulled back near a support zone. So if we want to sell, we don't want to sell like Jibril. We will prefer the price to break below the level of 414 and to retest that level and to give us a clear-cut signal below the 414. But we will give priority to buy signal above the 414 because it's a support level. The next resistance level, the first and near resistance level, is the orange line right here, you see. So we have the line here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove every line and I'm going to focus on the the latest support level, which is the blue line, the blue horizontal line here, and then from this monthly chart, I can switch to my 3-minute chart, because I love 3-minute chart very much. All right, so I'm going to leave these two lines here. I leave the vertical line here. That's when the market opened today. So these two support levels are very important for me today. So I did not make my decision on the 3 minutes alone. I'm going now to the, I hope I can see my line. I can see the orange line here, but I couldn't see my blue line on this 3-minute chart. So I will go to another higher time frame. I go to the 10-minute chart now. I'm still looking for my blue line that I've drawn on the monthly chart. It's somewhere below here. I will try to go to the 30-minute chart and see whether I can see it. It's still not visible here. What's going on? I want to see my blue line. I'll go now to the hourly chart. Hopefully I can see it's still not clear. These are not my blue line that I draw. These are something else. I will remove them now on my chart. I'm looking for my blue line that I've drawn on the yes, this is the line now. You see now? This is the line here. You see, it's my blue line now. Can you see? In fact, what I'm going to do now, I will color it now in turquoise, so we can see on this chart. This is our blue line. I changed the color for it. It's a vertical line to show her today. So I'm now on the, you see, if I move my chart, you can see it. But it's somewhere down here. We know that. So be aware that it's somewhere here. So we are saying the priority to buy a signal above the turquoise line. That's our strategy today. That's our day trading plan today. And if we receive a buy signal below here, we will give it a chance, on the edge at a low risk point. Another thing we want to keep in mind is that we want to keep eyes on the S&P 500, because talking about the trading triangle, the market first, the sector before the individual financial instrument. But we know also that Apple stock is a market leader, so the movement of Apple stock can affect also the S&P 500, because the economy news, the market leaders, and the fundamental can change the dynamics of the market itself. So we can keep eyes on Apple itself, because it's a market leader. So all right, so we leave it at this. So all right, I'm going to go back again. You see now my turquoise line is somewhere here in the zone of call it 414. I know that the price now at 430. So I'm going back to my 3-minute chart. I know that there is another level here. You see the orange line is somewhere up here. So if the price approaching is near the zone of 4, call it, I will call it, hold on please, I will call it 448. So between the turquoise one near the zone of 414, the orange one, we call it 448. All right. So now I know I have my plan now. I don't want to follow Jibril. All right. The price, as we can see on this 3-minute chart, we start drawing lines and also looking at our left-hand side to analyze what is taking place here. The price may try to go to the turquoise line, which is at 414. So far, as we see here on this 3-minute chart, the price is in a declining channel. So we're not going to be very excited to buy unless the price reaches another support level. There's one here on this 3-minute chart, which I will leave here like this for now and see whether. But we're not going to buy because the price touches that support level. We will prefer the price to come out of the bearish channel and to retest the bearish channel and to give us the first higher low. That will give us a low risk buying point. If there is no signal to buy, we cannot buy. It's not because we want to buy, so we just buy. We don't want to repeat the same mistake like Jibril, the day trader. All right, you see now? So we're keeping eyes on this Apple stock, and we want to see. So far, if we want to buy, we will prefer to come out of the bearish channel. But if it's going down, pulling buy. If you want to sell it, we want to sell it on the edge along this level. But we don't want to sell it when it's coming near support level. We want to have a bit of space so the price may pull, may have a room to go down. All right. So in fact, looking on this 3-minute chart, we see that yesterday, you see here, there was a kind of, if I extend my line here, these two blue line, there is a kind of, you see, there was a consolidation in this session, and then the price ran away. So we can say on this 3-minute chart, this is the first area wave. Now this is, okay, we can say that, okay, I'm just talking now, don't take it too serious, all right? We will say, okay, this is the first wave, all right? So that's the first thing we may say, all right? So now we see that the price is coming back again to this zone. We know that a consolidation zone, okay, is a high volume session, all right? So we want to watch it now. This level, whether the price, if it reaches this level or if it comes near this zone, whether it's going to find a support or not, all right? I do not want the video to be too long, all right, ladies and gentlemen. I will stop the video here, all right, and I will encourage traders to, okay, learn from Jibril, okay. We cannot put Jibril down. It's not his fault. He's a new trader. But if Jibril is watching this video, Jibril can learn something from it, okay. I hope you have enjoyed this video about Jibril, the day trader. That you will, okay, try to avoid the mistake of a Jibril day trader, okay, to make an excellent day trading decision. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon. This is about Jibril, the day trader.